Hey guys, welcome to Simpler Futures and our videos tonight. I want to take a look at the ag markets in here, especially in the soybean market. Why? Because look what we're testing. This red line right here, I put my cursor over it and you see it's the red line. That's the 100 period exponential moving average. Now, do I go short right here just because we hit this level? No. What I'm looking for right now is a reversal of this MACD at the bottom to begin to show some weakness and possibly see a squeeze fire off short in this. And the squeeze is going to be lagging a little bit. So what I've got to do is a little bit of anticipation of this move to see if this it just runs out of steam right up in here at these levels, and you got the 55 period EMA right above it. And if we begin to turn down and the 55 crosses the 100, I think that's going to signal a move back toward the bottom of the linear regression channel at this 2 standard deviations, and it potentially could take us down back around 930 or below. And that's a 70-cent move. You look at it today and say, well, that's a little candle, that didn't do much. We had a 15-cent move in the soybeans. And this morning, let's take a look at it on a 144 tick chart as we go back to the open this morning. And you can see the strength of this move to the downside right down in here. A really strong move from 830. We put in at the close, it's 730 close this morning, and then we opened back up at 830. I'm sorry, 745 close and open back up at 830. From this 830 open at 1012 and a half, we made a pretty sharp drop in here in the first hour that took us down to these lows. So you'd have been able to pick up possibly a 10-cent move in here. You can see that everything was working. MACD was working. It was weak. We had the moving average crossovers on the 144 tick chart. We had the 8 and the 21 period exponential moving average. They were both bearish. And then we got a rebound back really strong right after that, and then it got choppy. Now, the key is, are we going to see more choppiness in here over the next couple of days? But I still think off of this 100 period EMA, it may be a pretty good, decent setup for a potential short play there. Also, guys, take a look at the cotton market. I was talking to Neil a little while ago, and potential what we've got in here. When you look at this move, it's a reversal of what we're looking at on the soybeans. We've seen a really nice sell-off, and this is pretty much a seasonal play that happens early part of August to see some weakness come in the cotton market, and we're testing the 100 period EMA. Now, it still looks weak. I would be looking for a continuation in here that we might run it down to about 63 cents. That would put us right into this support over here that we saw early in May. And just look now, the cotton market is a pretty thin market. Trade it close. Be careful with it. Make sure you use your stops because it is thin. Enter the market off of priced orders, but it is a really good market to trade, guys. Hopefully that helps. Make sure you use your stops. Trade careful, and stay tuned for our next update. See you in the next video. Simpler Futures.